611 here, back with another video for you. And today's going to be a real simple video. Just figured I'd share with you guys my EDC setup of what I carry every day. The one thing I'm missing right now is my light. I actually took it to the firehouse the other night and misplaced it when I was on a call and haven't been able to find it. No big deal. It was a cheap little $5 Energizer pen light, but still, it was what I was running. The knife I run is an Ontario Rat 1, the OD green with the black blade. Been running this for about 5 months now, and I just love it. It holds a great edge. It's not too terribly heavy, but it does everything I need it to for my daily little tasks. Firearm I'm running, as you guys probably already know, is my Glock 19. Stipple job, you guys have seen it. For all you safety Nancy's out there, yes, there's nothing in the chamber. Checked it before the video. Holster I'm running is Bravo Concealment DOS inside the waistband with the soft loops, carried appendix, as you guys can see. We've had this since about December of last year, and I absolutely love it. It does great. I'm still getting used to the appendix carry. You know, I don't carry every single day, so just getting used to it is a new thing for me, sitting down, things like that. The belt I'm running is a Special Operations Equipment EDC low profile belt, black on khaki, and this belt is awesome. Whether you're running a firearm or not, I highly recommend this belt, guys. It's $40, and it is just built like a tank, and it's adjustable. It holds. You don't have to worry about it coming loose, and it's just wonderful. I love it. So that's pretty much it, guys. Figured I'd give you a quick little view of what I run every day. And that's pretty much it. So you guys stay tuned for another video, and we'll be back soon.